Welcome to our salt refinery, Sri Radha Krishna Salts Private Limited, located at Chopara, Gandhidham, Gujarat. Raw salt is manufactured by evaporation of seawater. Come, let's watch the process of upgrading the raw salt by the process of salt refining. The trucks loaded with raw salt are weighed at the entry gate on factory weight bridge. Raw salt sample are collected at sample point for lab test. After lab test, the trucks are unloaded in the hopper. The raw salt moves upward by the conveyor for crushing. The conveyor is fitted with high ferrite magnet to sort out any type of iron content. The laborers also pick any foreign material in raw salt before it goes for crushing. After crushing the raw salt, it goes to the saline tank for proper washing. Saline tank is provided with magnetic plates. Regular cleaning of the magnetic plates is done for minimizing the foreign material in salt slurry. The salt slurry will come with centrifuge by centrifugal forces. Salt slurry removes most of the water from the slurry. The slurry then goes to dryer for drying the salt. At the outlet of the dryer, magnetic plates are installed for further separation of foreign particle before the salt goes for particle separation. The salt goes for particle separation by Vibro separator and moved to silo for bulk packing as well as small packing. Ten steps magnetic plates are being provided in the total process for minimizing the presence of any foreign particle. We have automatic FFS machines for packaging of iodized salt in consumer packets. We have a lab with all modern equipments. Our chemists work throughout the processing period. At each level, samples are collected and are tested by them. In case of any discrepancy in the material, it is immediately reported to the plant manager, who further takes corrective measures for the same.